Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your MetaMask contacts and custom token lists, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your MetaMask contacts and custom token lists, launch your MetaMask wallet in your web browser. Log into your MetaMask account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the circular icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Contacts. Click on Contacts to view all your saved contacts. To back up your contacts, you will need to manually copy the details of each contact. Take note of the names and addresses of your contacts. You can paste this information into a secure document or digital note. Next, return to the Settings menu and select Advanced. Scroll down to find the section for Export or Export Tokens. Here, you will need to open your custom token list. Custom tokens are not automatically backed up with your MetaMask seed phrase. To back up your custom tokens, make a list of their names and contract addresses. Each token contract address can typically be found through your transaction history or in the custom tokens section. You can also take screenshots of your custom tokens for a visual backup. Once you have compiled your list, store this document in a secure location. Consider using a password manager or encrypted drive for added security. Now, you have successfully backed up both your contacts and custom token lists. Make sure to update your backups whenever you add new tokens or contacts. By following these steps, you ensure that your MetaMask contacts and custom tokens are safely stored for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.